Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Online English TV. In today's video, you will learn other collocations with take. I have already uploaded some collocation with take in the past. If you haven't watched the video yet, then click the link here or click the link in the description box if you want to learn more collocations and improve your vocabulary. Let's cut to the chase. Here are 5 collocations with take that you will learn today. Take a shower, take care, take a vacation, take a break, and take a rest. These are common collocations, but stay tuned because let's practice making more sentences with these collocations in this video. Okay, now let's get started. Take a shower. It means to wash oneself in a shower.
Everybody must take a shower after class.
Taking a shower.
Here are more example sentences. I got really sweaty after working out, so I need to take a shower before lunch. Another sentence. I made a habit of taking a shower before going to bed. Alright, now it's your turn to make your own sentence. Comment below. Here's collocation number 2. Take care. We also say take care instead of goodbye as a parting word.
Take care.
Take care.
However, the most common meaning is to be cautious or to keep oneself or someone safe.
I can't take care of Russ.
He takes care of me, Mother. He takes care of you.
Here are some sample sentences. Parents take good care of their children. Another example is, find a man who could take care of you. And here is collocation number 3. Take a vacation. Are you tired? Then take a vacation. It means to stop working for some period of time and spend the time for one's leisure or pleasure, especially at some other place.
You need to take a vacation.
And we could take a little vacation. Vacation, yeah.
Take a vacation, now.
Here are the example sentences. You work so hard. You need to take a vacation. Next one, my family will take a vacation next year. What about you? When will you take a vacation? Here's collocation number 4. Take a break. It means to stop doing something for a short period of time or to rest.
Take a break.
I am taking a break from the noise.
Take a break.
Don't forget to take a 15-minute break after 4 hours of working. Here's collocation number 5. Take a rest. It means to stop doing something in order to relax.
Just take a rest.
Take some rest.
Sit down, take a rest.
Right, here are some example sentences. Don't push yourself too much. Take some rest. You have been working all day. Then take a rest. That would be all for today. See you again in my next video. And don't forget to take a break, take a rest, and take a vacation. Until then, take care.